Welcome to PMDC online class. I'm going to explain you the topic gases, which belong to the first year chemistry. State of matter. We have four types of state of matter: gases, liquid, solid, and plasma. Now I will explain about gases. First we will study about the introduction, that is what is gases, then properties of gases, postulates of kinetic molecular theory, pressure, units of pressure, and in the last I will give you assignment. Introduction. Now what is gas? Gas is the highest energy state of matter which neither definite volume nor definite shape. It is due to the weak intermolecular forces among the gas molecules. Now I will explain you the properties of gases. The first one is expansion. Gases expand when less pressure is applied. When the external pressure is reduced, so gases expand, or when the temperature is increased on a gases, so they expand. The second property is pressure. Gases exert a constant pressure on its wall of container. This is due to the collision of molecules on the wall of the container. Its pressure is increased, that is the gase's pressure is increased when the temperature is increased, because kinetic energy of gaseous molecules, that is directly relation to the pressure. The next one is low density. Gases have low densities than liquids and solid. It is about 10 power minus 3 times less than the mass of liquids and solid. Here we are taking the example of oxygen in the liquid, solid and gaseous form. In the liquid form, its density is 1.194 gram per cm cube. In a solid, it is 1.426 gram per cm cube. But in gaseous form, it is 1.42 10 power minus 3. If you look at here, 10 power minus 3, that is 10 power minus 3 times the density of gases is less than solid and liquid. Next property is compressibility. Gases may be compressed when external pressure is applied. When external pressure is applied, so the empty spaces among the gas molecule is reduced and the volume of the gases is reduced. Next is diffusion. Non-reacting gases can mix or diffuse into each other. This is due to the random motion of gas molecule in all possible direction. Now, kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases, it is a set of assumptions which has been proposed to explain the physical behavior of gases. It's the main point that is KMT explained, that is physical behavior of gases. And it was proposed by Bernoulli and used by many scientists to explain the various properties of gases, in which Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro laws can. What are the main postulates of kinetic molecular theory which explain the physical behavior of gases? Number one, gases consist of small particles called molecules. Gases have greater kinetic energy than liquids and solids. Gases have larger distance at ordinary conditions. That is why the volume of a gases consists of mostly empty space. They move randomly. Gases collide with each other and with the wall of container without loss of kinetic energy. When the gases collide with each other and with wall of the container, they exert pressure, and the pressure of gases is increases by increasing the kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is increases by increasing the temperature. The actual volume of gas is negligible as compared to the whole volume of container. This is due to the gases are widely spaced. They have a greater distance and have a a lot of empty space among the gas molecules. Gases behave as individual particles. Attraction between them is negligible. Average kinetic energy, that is average kinetic energy of gas molecule, is due to their motion. That we know that kinetic energy is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. When we increasing the temperature, so kinetic energy of gas molecule is increases, and when the kinetic energy of gas molecule is increases, so the pressure of the gas molecule is also increases. It is a very important point regarding to the MCQs. Next is at the same temperature. Remember, at the same temperature, molecules of every gas, that if you are taking hydrogen gas, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, has same average kinetic energy. Remember that at same temperature, every gas, you are discussing about oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, have same average kinetic energy. It is also a very important point regarding to the MCQs. And the last point, the force of gravity has almost no effect on a gas molecules. Now, I will explain the next pressure and its unit. First, we will discuss about pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as a force per unit area, and mathematically we can write it pressure P represented by P is equal to force, which is represented by F, and area per area, that is represented by A. How we will measure the pressure? The apparatus used for measuring gas pressure is called manometer. The apparatus which we are using to measure pressure is called manometer. That is, the gas pressure is called, that apparatus is called manometer. But when we are measuring atmospheric pressure, so that manometer which we are using is called barometer. So a manometer used for measuring atmospheric pressure, remember atmospheric pressure, is called barometer. Now here we are studying a simple barometer which is called Torricellian barometer. This Torricellian barometer consists of a 1000 millimeter of long tube, which one end is sealed close, and we are taking another dish which having additionally mercury, and this long 1000 millimeter tube is also filled with mercury. A barometer consists of a glass tube 1000 millimeter, one end is closed. If you look at here, so the one end is closed. The tube is completely fitted with mercury. Now we have filled this tube with mercury and inverted into the dish. Now we have inverted into the dish which contain additionally mercury, which also contain mercury. Now the atmospheric pressure, that is atmospheric pressure, the pressure of air, which exert a pressure on the surface of the mercury in a dish. When the same time the mass of mercury, that is the mass of mercury in a tube, also exert a pressure. When the pressure of the air and the mass of the mercury pressure is become equal, so the mercury stop in the tube, and we directly measure the height, from the height, the pressure of the atmosphere. Now look at here, because there is no air above the mercury in tube. When the mass of a mercury in a tube was equal to the pressure of the air pressing down on a mercury in a dish, here the air exerting a pressure on a mercury which is in a dish, and the mass of the mercury in a tube is also exerting pressure. When these two forces, when these two pressures are equal, so the mercury level in a tube will be stopped. That time the atmospheric pressure is measured directly from the height of the mercury column. From here we can measure. Now at the sea level, average atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeter at 0 centigrade or 273 Kelvin, which is measured by Torricellian barometer. Now this average pressure at a sea level, which is 760 millimeter, is also called 1 atmosphere. Now what is 1 atmosphere? Now I will explain units of pressure. In first we will discuss 1 atmosphere. 1 atmosphere is the force exerted by 76 centimeter long column of mercury on an area of 1 centimeter square at 0 centigrade. This is called 1 atmosphere. Now another SI unit of pressure, that is, remember, Newton per meter square, which is a very important MCQs. One thing remember that 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. 1 atm. Now 1 atm, this 1 atm is equal to 760 millimeter Hg, which is called average atmospheric pressure of air at a sea level. So 1 atm is equal to 760. 1 atm is the force exerted by 76 centimeter long column of mercury on the area of 1 centimeter square at 0 centigrade and 273 Kelvin. Another 1 atm is equal to 760 torr. It is another unit, and it is also equal, 1 atm is equal to 101325 Pascal. One thing remember that 1 Newton per meter square is equal to 1 Pascal, but 1 atm is equal to 101325 Pascal. And 1 atm is also equal to 14.7 pounds per pound square inch. Now, at the end, I will give you assignment which is in the form of MCQs. Number 1, the pressure of a gas is due to the mass of a gas, number of molecules of a gas, molecular mass of a gas, and the last one, number of atoms in a molecules. Second MCQs, gases do not have definite volume and occupy all available space because of weak intermolecular forces, larger intermolecular distance, constant random motion, and the last one option is all of these. The third one MCQs is in SI system international, the unit of pressure is torr, millimeter Hg, atm, and Newton per meter square. Now the next one MCQs is the kinetic energy of gas molecules depend upon size of gas molecules, density of gas molecule, absolute temperature, number of atoms in a molecules. And the last MCQ, select the correct option. That's the rate of diffusion of gases is more than that of the liquids. Here I will explain you just that when you do perfume, so you will smell it in all the corner of the room, and when you put a drop of liquid, that is ink, in a water, that time it will diffuses, but it will be slow. Now, so the rate of diffusion of gases is more than that of the liquids. Gases have indefinite volume because of large intermolecular free space. Third one, the pressure of gas increases by increasing in a temperature, or the last one, all of these. Thank you for watching.